Guys, this is my garden before. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this side, these are my flower pots where I usually put my flowers, and there is always, we always have flowers, but I have these ones, hostas. They will be coming back here. So I also have this one, still there, and I have this one here, and I have the other one there, that one, and it's gonna come back. So this is the before my garden starts spraying and everything. And of course, here, as you can see, I have my rose here. Oh, I need to, and this is orange, and it has some, I don't know, this is weed. I think this is weed. I will remove this one. Actually, let me just remove it. This is weed. And this is my orange tree that I planted from scratch, and these are still the planters that I don't have. This is for the last year that I planted here, and it has bloomed, so because the spring is starting. So guys, this is how my garden is looking like. So this is before. So I like to share with you the journey and how it's gonna be. So this side also, you see, we don't have any flowers, but you see that one there, it will come back, and we're gonna have some flowers here behind this barbecue there. And by the water, I haven't done anything, but this year I'm going to do a lot. So excited. You see, we repaired this place last year, so it's pretty good. So I'm going to arrange with you there by the water, and we're going to put, I have these chairs, I'm going to put a dining side here. And of course, we have this boat that we usually go, the children go by the water there. Those are our neighbors, don't worry. And I have this one here, but this one haven't, is the grass, how do you call it? I don't know what grass, I'll put the name there, but this is what we have. And I hope that this year it's gonna give some grass. And then we have, this one is coming back always. This is very nice plant with big flowers. At the corner there, we removed our big tree that was there, but now we have to do something with it. We are going to, I don't know if this year or next year, we are going to put some tiles. We want to cover everything there so we can put our jacuzzi in the corner there. But we're gonna see how that's gonna go. You see, I have new plants here. They're growing very nicely. We just put that thing on the gate so our son doesn't go behind it, and that because we have water here. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. So guys, I'll take you along the journey.